Hey guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, likes, and watch this video. This will help you in order you to understand everything in mathematics. So our topic for today is more on basic mathematics. By the way, what is basic mathematics? Basic mathematics is usually applied especially if you want to take the career civil service exam, student achievement test, college entrance test, as well as the NAPOLCOM, and at the same time in your career employment. And the difference between basic mathematics, it has no statistics, it has no trigonometry, and it has no analytic geometry. This is mostly an algebra, but basic algebra as well as basic mathematics. It can be also applied in math contests. If you want to take the Math Teachers Association the Philippines, as well as it can be applicable also in other contests in other country. So mostly, this is already in a basic question, but you should apply a basic algebra. Okay, let's proceed for basic mathematics problem number 1. 45 added to 5a is equals to 500. What's the value of a? So what will you do is to analyze the problem. We have the 45 added to 5a is equals to 500. So we have 5a is equals to 500, and then transpose, this will become minus 45. So we have, if we will subtract 500 minus 45, we have 5, and then this will become 4. So the answer is 455. So 455 is equals to 5a. So divided by 5, divided by 5. If we will divide that 455 divided by 5, we have 9, 45, and then 5 divided by 1 is 91. So our a will become 91. So let's check. Let's have a check. So 45 plus 5 times 91 is equals to 500. So this will become 1 times 5 will become 5, and then 45 plus 45, the answer is 500 is equals to 500. So we have a correct answer. So the value of A is 91 and the answer is letter C. So let's have the checking. Okay, let's proceed for number 2. Okay, let's try to erase this one. Let's have number 2. Number 2. 1/3 plus 1236 plus 130 divided by 360. So 1/3 plus 12 divided by 36 plus 120 divided by 360. So what will you do? This is the technique. So you have to write the 1/3 here. The 1236 plus 120, 360. Okay. This is just the secret on how to reduce a lowest term. So what is the lowest term? This is already the lowest term of 1/3. What is the lowest term of 12 and 36? We need to divide by 12, divide by 12 again. So 1236 is divisible by 12. So 12 divided by 12 is 1. And then 12 divided by 36 divided by 12 is 3. Is that correct? And then we also lowest term this one, cancel 0. And 12 and 36 is the same as 1/3 also. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And then 3, they have the same denominator. So the answer is 1. So the answer is letter B. Take note guys ha. Look at the secret on how to answer it properly. This is the secret on using your denominator. If you think if they are divisible, all you have to do is to reduce the lowest term. Okay, let's proceed for number 4. Or number 3. Okay, number 3. Okay, this is scientific notation. This is, let's have this one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, is equivalent to what? All you have to do is to move the decimal 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 5.66 times 10 to the 9th power. You just only move, take note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 5.66 times 10 to the 9th power. So this will be our final answer. This is already a scientific notation. Okay, let's proceed for number 4. Where is our number 4? Okay. So let's try to erase this one again. Let's proceed for number 4. How many prime numbers from 1 to 16? So all you have to do is to write first 1 to 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then 16. When we speak about prime numbers, it tells something about prime numbers is usually divided by itself. While composite, it means to say, for example, if their value is 9, so we have 3 times 3 and 1 times 9. So like for example, 7 times 1 is only 7. So there possible factor for 7 aside from 7 times 1. So what are the prime numbers? 2, we have 3, we have 5, we have 7, we have 11, we have 13. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. So the answer is letter A. Do you consider 1 as a prime number? No, we cannot consider 1 as a prime number because it is always usually as 1 times 1 and 0 times 1, or 1 will be undefined. So this will not be considered as a prime number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is letter A. So let's proceed for number 5. Okay, guys, let's proceed for the number 5. So this is the given. What is the highest value? A, 1/2. B, 1 divided by 10. C, 1 divided by 3. D, 2 divided by 7. So let's have our marker pen. Let's proceed to number. We know that the 1/2 automatically, if we will divide 1/2 divided by 2, so put a 0, then after that think of the number 10 divided by 2, we have 5, and this will become 10. So add 0, automatically this is considered as a 0.5 or 0.50. This is for letter A. For letter B, we have 1 divided by 10, 0, we have 0, we have 10, and then automatically, 0, and then 10, we have 0.1. Am I right? So let's have letter C. We have 1 divided by 3, so 0. Am I wrong? So 1 divided by 3.0.39, and then 1. So 10 minus 1 will be add 0 again. We have 3, we have 9, and the answer is 0.33. So letter D, we have 2 divided by 7. We have, this is letter D, take note. This is letter D. We have 20. We have 2. We have 14. So 14, we have 6, 0. So 8 times 7 is 56. We have 4, 0, 0. 40 divided by 7, we have 6. 5. So 0.285, we have 35, and then 5, and so on. So the best answer is letter A. So this is the highest value. And the secret is for that. Take note, the secret of getting the lowest term is usually get the small value of the denominator. So one way of secret in getting the highest value of all given fraction, the lowest number in the denominator should be always also the lowest, and that will give you the highest value. That's the only but if you are not sure, all you have to do is to divide properly in a decimal places. So let's have number 6. Let's proceed for number 6. Let's proceed for number 6. Okay. What's the value of u in the given 120 plus 2u plus 160 is equals to 400? So, again, 120 plus 2u plus 160 is equals to 400. Automatically, we combine 2u, 120 plus 160. So, 0 plus 0 will become 0. 2 plus 6 will become 8. 1 plus 1 will become 2. So, 400. And then, 2u will become 400 minus 280. And then 2u will become what? 400, we have 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 8 will become 2. And then we have 3. 3 minus 2 will become 1. So automatically, 120 divided by 2, our u will become 60. So 60 times 2 will become 120. So let's try to check if this is correct. So 120 plus 2 times 60. Replace the u, take note, 160 is equals to 400. And know that 120 plus 120 plus 160 will be equal to 400. So this will become 240. 110 plus 120 will become 240 plus 160. So 240 will become 400 is equals to 400. So our u is 60 and the answer is letter A. Take note guys, this is a letter A. This is just only a basic. So if you want to take, I think the grade 10 will take the national achievement test or assessment test from other school or replacement test. This will help you a lot to order you to record everything in your math. So let's proceed for number 7. Let's proceed for number 7. Simplify negative 3x plus 8xy, negative 11xy plus 15xy. So again, we have this one. We know that the factor for this x and y, right? xy. So we have negative 3 and xy will become, in the first we have 5xy. Is that correct? First, we need to add. And then, so this will become negative 11. So xy plus negative 11xy plus 15xy will become 4. Am I correct? Or sorry, 15 minus 11 will become 4xy, and we cancel and cancel this one. So the answer is 1 and 1/4. Is that correct? Or we have 5 over 4. So do we have 5 over 4? No, we don't have any 5 over 4. So the answer is none of the above. Take note, this is the answer, letter D. If we don't have any choices, the answer is none of the above. So let's proceed for number 8. Number 8. What is the... Okay, let's proceed for number 8. What is the place value of 4 from the given 2333 or 2333.2499? So take note guys, when we speak about the decimal places, and the value always starts from tenths. Take note, tenths, hundreds, thousands. 10,000, 100,000. So tens. So tens, take note. Tens, hundreds. Take note. So the 2, 3, 4. So this will be the tens, hundreds, and then thousands. So the answer is letter C. Thousands, Y, and after that, if this is the whole number, this is ones, this is tens, 100,000 without TH. So that will be the answer for number 8. It's letter C, thousands. Let's proceed for number 9. Three to the negative 3 plus 3 to the negative 3 plus 3 to the negative 3. What's the value? We know that 3 raised to the negative 3 is also the same as 1. We know that 3 to the third power is 27 because 3 times 3 is 9, 93 is 27. So we will change this one as 127, as 127, as 127, right? And then after that, we will add, this will become 3 over 27. And we know that 3 is 27 is divisible by 3. So the answer is 1 over 9. Right? So the answer is letter C. That is already for number 9. So take note that 10 raised to the negative 3. And then after that, we will have number 10. We will have number 10. And then let's proceed for number 10. This is the last question. The sum of two numbers is 18 and their difference is 8. What are the two numbers? The sum of two numbers and their difference is 8. So, if they will add, it will become 18. If they will subtract, it will become 8. So, x plus y is equals to 18. X minus y is equals to 8. So, we will cancel this one. This will become 2x. And then after that, this will become 10. So, divided by 2. X will become 5. Right? And then we will substitute x plus y is equals to 18. Any of this one. So, 5 plus y is equals to 18. So, y. So, 18 minus 5. We have 13. So, if we will get 13 minus 5 will become 8. So, that will be, and then 5 plus 13 will become 18. Take note, 5 plus 8 become 13, and then, 5 plus 13 will become 18, and then 13 minus 5 will become 8. So, this is the value of x and y. So, this will be our final answer. Okay, guys, this is already our part 1 in our basic education mathematics. It can be also applied in general education or basic math for the teachers, for the career civil service exam, student achievement test, college entrance test. So we don't use any calculator here. We just only use our mind. Okay, guys, I hope you already understand everything in math. But basically, you should pray for God so that He will be the one who will give you knowledge and wisdom. And please, If you want to pass any kind of exam, you can subscribe my channel, Math Academic Knowledge. So I have already my video number 1 up to video number 18. But this is a basic education mathematics or basic math. This is my video number 1 for the basic mathematics. Thank you very much, guys.